Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little Aliexpress haul. Had some orders roll in while I was gone. Quick trip. These are actually, look, little tiny like drill bits in like a bunch of different sizes, and this little contraption doodad. And basically you just screw it out of like a resin piece that you create. Oh, here we go. Christina, I bought these from my friend Christina, but anyway, you would just stick the little drill bit in and drill a little hole so that you can put a little jump ring and make it a, not a jump ring, but like a loop thing to make like a little dangle or a charm. Super excited. I've been waiting for this guy. Next, I got this one right here. It has a cute little mama and baby of the bat. And the biggest bat is 2 inches and the baby one is about 1.5 inches. Super cute, and these are shiny, so I think that means the bats will be shiny. These ones are like a dull matte color, but oh my gosh, look at these. These are tiny, guys. So it's a tiny little witch hat. It has detail of like polka dots and stuff. It's got a little witch face with the hair. What is this? Oh, like a magic 8 ball. Not magic 8 ball. What's it called? Like a looking glass. I can't think of the name. Cute little witch boots with a little buckle, a belt, the stripes, very detailed. I don't know how these are going to turn out because I've never played with resin yet. What does it say? Book of Spells. It's got the little binding, stars, detail, a little skeleton, a little cauldron, and a witch broom. Super cute. They are very tiny, cabochon style. The witch from here to here is 1 inch. The pumpkin's about 3/4 of an inch. The cauldron's about 1 inch. The broom is 1/2 inch wide. So they're tiny and little, but I do want, that's why I got resin, because I'm going to play with little pieces so that when I gift them, people could use them as embellishments. Super cute. Next is this one right here. It's a bow die, as you can see. This one looks like it's too closed off. I'm not sure how resin works. Like, it looks closed, right? Like you got to open it. I don't know. We'll see how these bows turn out. Not sure. And then here's another one. I was on that Halloween kick when I was ordering. Oh, look how cute. Again, these are very small and detailed. This one's like really detailed. I don't know, they just look different. They're cut differently or something. I don't know. But anyway, got a little jack skeleton. Here's the pumpkin, another pumpkin, a little stitched like a creepy looking stitch star. And then the moon is stitched. This is a bat. I love this little trick-or-treat bag. It reminds me of those Jolie stickers. And then this is a pumpkin with a witch hat with a spider, and it says Halloween with a spider web and stuff. I don't know, does resin come out that intricate? I don't know, we're about to find out, guys. I told you guys they had this at Hobby Lobby, but now that I have this in person, the Hobby Lobby one is bigger, for sure. And look how cute. These are shiny, which means my resin pieces are going to be shiny. But look at that cute little bow with the heart detail. Cute little like mini style bow. Love that one. Love this little heart one. Same thing down there. Tiny little, oh my gosh, these are so tiny and cute. So these bows, less than 1 inch. This big bow is less than 2 inches. And all these other little ones are about 1 inch. 1 inch, 3/4 an inch, 3/4, 3/4. So they're little. And I got this one right here. This is kind of like just like a frame style, and you can easily put a little jump ring, because this means that there's going to be a hole there. These little stick things. So a little charm basically, and a heart, a circle, an oval, tiny little frame, and then this one's just a normal frame, like a picture frame. Super cute. Again, these frames are about 1 inch. This one's about 3/4 of an inch, 3/4, 3/4. So they're itty bitty, guys. Super cute. I love me some small little resin things. Okay, that is it for my basically like resin haul from AliExpress. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.